Taiyuan was established in October 1950 in the first lot of pilot innovative enterprises. Taiyuan has always walked at the forefront of reform and development. It was the first stock market listed company in China's heavy industry, Taiyuan Heavy Industry Company Limited. For over 60 years, Taiyuan has provided more than 1,000 types and 20,000 sets of equipment for infrastructure industries and the state key engineering projects. It has created more than 360 other top-rated products, both at home and abroad, and is reputed as the vanguard of the national economy. Taiyuan is a manufacturer which has achieved more than any other in the production of heavy-duty cranes. It has produced 500-ton gantry cranes and 480-ton teaming cranes, as well as 10 overhead travelling cranes with a lifting capacity of 12,000 tons for the three gorges. Taiyuan occupies all the markets for metallurgical cranes with capacity over 300 ton in China, and also produced the first 900-ton railway special bridging cranes and polar cranes used in nuclear power stations, which have been supplied to POSCO and Hyundai of Korea, and also to other international markets like India and so on. For more than 5,000 cranes have been manufactured in the last 60 years, and Taiyuan has become the #1 heavy-duty crane brand in China. Taiyuan is the largest manufacturer of heavy-duty excavators in China. In the last 60 years, starting from the first 4 cubic meter excavator to the largest 55 cubic meter excavator in China, Taiyuan has produced over 1,300 various excavators. Taiyuan has successively developed the 20 cubic meter, 27 cubic meter, 35 cubic meter and 55 cubic meter excavators with completely independent intellectual property rights. Taiyuan is China's largest production base for steel pipe mills and a specialized enterprise for levelers. The largest 2-meter hot rolling piercing mill in the world, various plate and strip mills and finishing mills have also been produced by Taiyuan. Its domestic market share for plate levelers is approximately 80%. Taking the lead in the domestic market, Taiyuan manufactures a wide variety of forging equipment. The 110 meganewton dual-action aluminium profile extrusion press and 8,000-ton quick forging machine represent the most advanced forging equipment in China. Taiyuan is a specialized manufacturer for heavy-duty gearboxes and other high-tech transmission devices for wind power, bullet trains and so on. It has produced the largest converter tilter in China and built a wind power gearbox production base with annual output of 1.5 million kilowatts. Currently, Taiyuan is the sole manufacturer in China for train wheels and axles. It also provides various industrial wheels for fields such as metallurgy, coal and hydropower. Taiyuan has the largest production base in the world for the oil film bearings used by heavy-duty rolling mills. Varieties of heavy-duty oil film bearings have been developed to be the only manufacturer in China to match with imported hot and cold rolling mills. The domestic market share has reached 80%. Taiyuan's oil film bearings have become the first China-famous brand in the heavy and mining industries. Taiyuan is a specialized manufacturer of cold gasification equipment and a production base for high-pressure vessels in China. It has developed and produced Asia's largest slack cold pressure gasifier with an output of 160,000 tons. To date, Taiyuan have produced nearly 10,000 sets of various gasifiers of high pressure, normal pressure and water gasifiers. In 2009, Taiyuan developed and designed the 1.5 megawatt double-fed wind-powered generator assembly, and in the same year the machines were manufactured, erected, commissioned and successfully power grid connected. This takes an important step forward in new energy fields. In 2010, batch production will be realized and trial production will be completed for a 2 megawatt wind power generator. Taiyuan will be the first to make the next breakthrough in wind power development. Taiyuan has developed and produced in succession ram-type coke oven machinery, 4.3 meter, 5.5 meter and 6.25 meter, as well as the top charge coke machines of 6 meter, 7 meter and 7.63 meter, and hot recovery clean type coking machines adopting the most advanced technology of coal charging and dust removing for environment protection. Taiyuan has the largest production base for space launch equipment in China. 8 of the 9 tower launchers standing tall at 3 satellite launching centers in China are Taiyuan's products. 1 rocket carrying with twin satellites and the manned spacecrafts Shenzhou, Brand and Chang'e-1 lunar probe were launched with the help of tower launchers produced by Taiyuan. At present, Taiyuan is the sole production base for large, multifunctional rotating stages. It has produced rotating stages for the National Grand Theatre. It also produced stages for Beijing Olympic opening and closing ceremonies and the Beijing Special Olympic opening ceremony. Taiyuan Coal Machinery Company Limited has products covering underground excavating equipment, coal transportation equipment, hydraulic support, open pit excavating equipment, coal washing and separation equipment. Meanwhile, it can provide coal enterprises with deep processing services. Yuzhe Hydraulic Components Group, attached to Taiyuan, is the main production base for China's hydraulic components and their related products. Taiyuan was the first enterprise in China's heavy machine building industry to introduce advanced technology from abroad and cooperate on technical production. Since China's reform and opening up to the outside world, Taiyuan has consecutively carried out technical cooperation in more than 20 projects in more than 10 countries, including the USA, Germany, Japan and Italy.